How KanBo is enabling airlines and aviation companies to be productive, collaborative, and adaptive in the post-pandemic world. The pandemic has been detrimental to every industry, but the airlines and aviation organizations have been at the receiving end the most. As COVID-19 continues to dictate terms across the globe, hampering economic progress and daily activities, there are regions that have witnessed a substantial decline in aviation activity. The International Air Transport Association, IATA, issued a report according to which the airline travel measured in revenue passenger miles declined by more than 70% in the last quarter of 2020. Apart from the business perspective, airlines and aviation companies have also found it a major challenge to ensure business continuity, maintain productivity, and be adaptive as well as responsive, along with making all efforts to restore travelers' trust. Confronting these challenges meant a large majority of airlines had no choice but to adapt and ensure a far more optimized redistribution of resources while restricting their expenditure. Apart from that, they had to adapt their key business operation models to provide stability to their business. This has been easier said than done, as airlines and aviation organizations are now learning that ensuring business continuity, enhancing collaboration, maintaining productivity, and meeting rapid response criteria all come with major challenges, bottlenecks, and hurdles. That's why they are now searching for a comprehensive solution that can streamline their overall operations and provide a complete picture. In this difficult scenario, KanBo software offers all the basic building blocks any airline needs to create and deploy a collaborative work environment that can assist them in improving productivity, cross-departmental collaboration, and other aspects of the business. Let's delve into the details. Streamlining remote work in airlines and aviation organizations. To facilitate business continuity during the pandemic, a number of airlines have deployed a range of remote work strategies enabling their employees to work from their homes. This has allowed airlines to manage the challenge of labor shortages by taking care of the unique requirements and expectations of a pandemic-hit economy. Some of the key remote work initiatives include: most of the airlines have implemented a multitude of job continuance strategies such as part-time and job-sharing plans, flexible work hours, and remote work for ground personnel that ensure the safety of their essential workforce. The airlines are also providing the required tools to their employees that they need to get their job done. For example, some airlines are now equipping every ground employee with their own personal laptop, along with giving allowance for an internet connection. Many airlines have now gone down the route of adopting remote maintenance as it provides resource, workforce, and operational efficiencies. This includes finding paperless alternatives as well as remote maintenance support. Challenges of enabling remote work. Although airlines and aviation organizations are making the switch to remote working, there are a number of challenges that they need to account for. Inefficiency caused by context switching. As most employees rely on a number of software tools, they have to switch between the apps to accomplish tasks, which leads to inefficiency. High rate of change and adjustment. Another major bottleneck is being created by the fact the information related to the COVID-19 pandemic is changing constantly and airlines need to adapt at a rapid pace. Reduced real-time collaboration. Since there's a limited social engagement between employees, real-time communication and collaboration have also taken a hit. Reduction in information retention. With remote working, it has become more challenging for employees to retain essential information that is required to accomplish their tasks. Lack of feedback and training. In an office environment, feedback and training can be provided at any time. Unfortunately, remote work has led to reduced real-time feedback and training. Using KanBo to overcome remote work challenges. KanBo is an adaptive and feature-rich business process management software that can be used according to any airline's business goals, requirements, and expectations. Airlines can rely on a multitude of tools provided by KanBo to overcome the challenges of remote work. Remote work with KanBo. With features like real-time notifications, streams, and block-ups, airlines can ensure collaboration, control informational depth, and identify dependencies in a timely manner. This enables quick but informed decision-making that's particularly crucial in a remote work environment. Support for different work styles. KanBo offers a wide range of features such as board lists, labels, board collections, and board templates that enable different types of employees to adopt diverse work styles. Native software stack integration. KanBo software can be natively integrated with any airline's software infrastructure. KanBo on-premises and integration with Office 365 ensures that airlines have control over their security without compromising their overall productivity. Facilitating business process management in aviation industry. With constantly changing COVID-19 guidelines and evolving business environment, it has become imperative for airlines and aviation organizations to maintain a streamlined overview of their operations. This means that they need to improve and optimize their business process management so they are in a better position to monitor and track overall progress. However, this doesn't come without a multitude of challenges in different areas. Challenges of improving business process management. The functions of an airline aren't only designed and deployed in a unique way, but the expected results and subsequent optimization is more likely to be unique as well. Some of the key functions of an airline and related challenges are as follows. Onboarding and in-flight experience. For delivering an exceptional travel experience, the airlines are expected to maintain an overview of their operations along with ensuring quick yet informed decision-making and facilitating real-time communication and collaboration. Business analysis for corporate development. To build an overall perspective, airlines need access to visual insights along with data analytics. They also need to ensure seamless communication and coordination across different departments. Apart from that, the organization and management of different projects is also an essential requirement. Medical services. Since ensuring the safety and health of both the workforce and travelers is the highest priority, airlines have the need to develop and nurture a trusting environment where questions and concerns are not only welcomed but answered in a transparent way. Moreover, new and altered policies are required to be communicated in real time so everyone in the team is on the same page. Recruiting and talent hunt. As there is a shortage of resources, it can lead to dependencies that cause delays. Often the evaluation criteria for recruitment is complicated and it's quite difficult to keep track of every step. There are many repetitive tasks as well which make the entire process less efficient. Legal. Once again, the legal department has to deal with multiple repetitive processes which can be quite inefficient. There's also a need to organize and manage a huge volume of information and documentation, which can be quite difficult. Using KanBo to overcome business process management challenges. From organization and management of the high volume of information and work and streamlining of operations to improving real-time collaboration and creating an environment of trust through work visibility and transparency, KanBo allows airlines and aviation companies to deal with a multitude of challenges, particularly the ones that have occurred because of the pandemic-related reasons. Project planning and strategic decision-making. With features like critical path method, Gantt charts, date dependencies, board scorecard, and user view, KanBo assists airlines and aviation organizations to build a systemic and organized business process approach. This enables airlines to develop, execute, and complete all types of tasks and business processes with the perfect combination of flexibility and predictability required for planning. Developing and deploying business roadmap. There are a number of features including KanBo board, roadmap, cards, Gantt, and timeline that enable airlines and aviation organizations to develop and implement long-term strategy and vision that translate into streamlined business processes and internal policies. With a user-friendly and intuitive interface, airlines can easily execute their strategies across different teams and departments. Improving operational efficiency and productivity. Relying on card templates, calendar view, focus mode, board activity stream, and numerous other features, employees, as well as managers, can work smart and monitor progress in real time. KanBo allows users to reduce repetitive work while providing all the features airlines need to enhance focus and concentration for improved operational excellence. Enhancing operational agility, adaptability, and responsiveness. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues to have a major impact on the air travel industry, it has become increasingly significant for airlines and aviation organizations to ensure operational agility and responsiveness. With the information coming in almost on a daily basis, they need to adapt and respond in a quick manner to rebuild travelers' confidence while providing a safe and healthy work environment for their employees. Challenges of ensuring agility, adaptability, and responsiveness. That being said, travel bans, border restrictions, and other SOPs have made it quite challenging for airlines and other large enterprises to cope with the situation in an efficient manner. Some of the major challenges include absence of planning and predictive modeling. Since the pandemic-related information and guidelines are always changing, sometimes on a daily basis, it has become a major challenge for airlines and aviation organizations to plan ahead and make decisions based on accurate predictive modeling. Difficulty being adaptive and responsive. For the same reason, it has also become difficult for airlines to ensure real-time communication and collaboration across departments to bring everyone on the same page. This means that airlines and aviation companies are no longer in a position to be adaptive and responsive for quick and high-performance decision-making. Challenge of providing rapid response in crisis. With the situation evolving on a regular basis, one of the most crucial challenges for airlines is to deal with crisis-related circumstances. Since there is no prior information, airlines have to be quick on their feet to evaluate the most recent developments and create an adequate strategy that doesn't have an impact on its customers. Maintaining relationships with external stakeholders. As all industries are struggling to recover from the impact of the pandemic, airlines find themselves in a difficult situation where they need to maintain business relationships with a multitude of stakeholders, including other airlines, suppliers, vendors, contractors, and customers, so they can be agile and responsive. Special flight planning and coping with ramp-up demand. During the pandemic, airlines often have to arrange special flights for repatriation and cargo-only purposes, which can be a major challenge. Apart from that, removal of travel bans and border restrictions can also ramp up air travel demand, which cannot be ignored. This means that airlines and aviation organizations need to be highly responsive and adaptive to ensure they can accommodate all their customers without putting safety and health at risk for both travelers and employees. Using KanBo to become more adaptable, responsive, and agile. KanBo delivers an agile and adaptive platform for airlines that empowers them to gather data, visualize information, collaborate in real time, offer improved work visibility, and manage a number of business processes across different teams. This enables a large enterprise like an airline to be more adaptive, flexible, and responsive. Improving focus on real work. Most organizations spend a lot of time on tasks that add little to no value to overall productivity. KanBo provides airlines with all the tools they need to ensure effective and efficient real-time collaboration between teams. Simplify cross-departmental communication and coordination. Provide support for diversified work styles. Link planning with execution to deliver better results. Ensure quick and informed decision-making with data analytics. Improve operational efficiency with mobile with offline features. Operate agile Scrum teams for high-quality products and services. Streamline work and business processes through Kanban. Define business goals and long-term vision using roadmap. Building agile culture. Relying on KanBo cards, invitations, and card and board templates, KanBo allows airlines to create and nurture an agile working environment where work can take place beyond geographical and technical boundaries. The features support contextual work and provide access to existing operational knowledge to eliminate duplication, saving organizational time and resources. Support for different work styles. KanBo offers a diverse variety of features including board lists, labels, board collections, and templates that enable different types of employees to adopt diverse work styles. Native software stack integration and SaaS. KanBo software can be natively integrated with any airline's software infrastructure. KanBo on-premises and integration with Office 365 ensures that airlines have control over their security without compromising their overall productivity. There's also a SaaS feature that allows airlines to deploy KanBo without any requirement for a dedicated IT department. Enabling close coordination in airlines and aviation organizations. As airlines and aviation organizations transition to a hybrid work model that combines office and remote operations, the requirement for close coordination between departments and individuals has become more essential than ever. Real-time communication and coordination are what enable the airline workforce to make high-performance decisions, execute a diverse variety of tasks, monitor the progress of a multitude of projects, and ensure business goals and objectives are achieved in an efficient manner. Challenges of ensuring close coordination. Having said that, there are numerous challenges in the way that makes close coordination quite difficult. Some of them include the following: subpar planning and absence of predictability. As the information related to the COVID-19 pandemic as well as regulations and guidelines are changing, sometimes even on a daily basis, it has become a major challenge for airlines and aviation organizations to plan ahead and predict future circumstances. This has led to difficulty in coming up with adequate strategies and plans. Challenge of delivering rapid response. As the circumstances are evolving on a regular basis, one of the most critical challenges for airlines is to manage the crisis-related situation. With no prior information, airlines have to be adaptive and responsive to evaluate the recent news and developments to design and deploy an adequate plan in a timely manner. Once again, this requires close coordination between individuals as well as teams. Maintaining public relations. As all types of organizations are currently striving to recover from the adverse effects of the pandemic, airlines are required to maintain relationships with a number of stakeholders, including other airlines, regulatory bodies, aviation organizations, and more. Difficulty meeting special demands and requirements. Whether the airlines need to arrange special flights for cargo only or repatriation or create a strategy for ramping up demand structures, they require real-time communication and coordination between different departments to ensure adequate flight scheduling. If there's no collaborative work environment along with efficient business processes, it often turns into an uphill battle. Close coordination between internal and external interfaces. Optimizing the flight network's revenue generation potential is essential for any airline, especially in these challenging times. To ensure this, close coordination between teams and individuals is required so they can gather adequate knowledge of the market that allows them to develop an understanding of other airlines' schedules and how they can be more ambitious and traveler-friendly. Using KanBo to overcome close coordination challenges. KanBo offers a versatile and flexible working platform that allows airlines and aviation companies to collect relevant data, visualize information, ensure real-time communication and close coordination, offer improved work visibility, and manage a wide variety of business processes across multiple teams. Enhancing close coordination to focus on real work. Most airlines spend a lot of time and resources on accomplishing tasks that add no value to organizational productivity. KanBo offers airlines the tools they need to ensure close coordination between individuals as well as teams. Here's what airlines can accomplish with KanBo. Ensure effective and efficient real-time collaboration between teams. Simplify cross-departmental communication and coordination. Provide support for diversified work styles. Link planning with execution to deliver better results. Ensure quick and informed decision-making with data analytics. Improve operational efficiency with mobile with offline features. Operate agile Scrum teams for high-quality products and services. Streamline work and business processes through Kanban. Define business goals and long-term vision using roadmap. Nurturing enterprise-wide work coordination. There is a wide range of features offered by KanBo, including KanBo cards, document groups, mentions, and to-do lists that allow airlines to make the most of the multidimensional work management platform. These features enable teams to develop and foster a collaborative work environment that focuses on learning from each other, improving productive engagement and interaction. Quick and informed decision-making. The entire point of close coordination is to ensure quick and high-performance decision-making. KanBo enables exactly that with a diverse variety of features, including ambient intelligence powered by KanBo Bot, card grouping, and board filtering. Improving rapid response to crisis. The adverse effects of the pandemic have had a major impact on all industries and enterprises, but there are very few sectors that have been affected as badly as the aviation and airline industry. According to a Deloitte report, overall air travel revenues reduced by $160 billion to fall down to $314 billion during the course of the first 9 months of 2020. In these trying times, many airlines and aviation companies found out that they need to be in a position to deliver an effective rapid response to crisis-related situations, as that's the only way to maintain a high-quality traveler experience while ensuring business continuity. Challenges of delivering rapid response to crisis situations. From stopping almost all domestic and international flights to restructuring and implementing new adaptive processes, airlines have had to cope with a multitude of challenges during the last year or so, especially in terms of providing rapid response to crisis situations. Some of the crucial challenges faced by airlines include the following: adapting to changing safety and health regulations. One of the most crucial challenges for airlines and aviation organizations has been to ensure their rapid responses to crisis situations adhere to the evolving safety and health regulations and guidelines. All the new updates, developments, and SOPs need to be taken into consideration prior to decision-making. Rebuilding traveler confidence. Another major setback that airlines faced was altered expectations of their customers. They don't only want a seamless air travel experience, but want airlines to ensure their health and safety through compliance with the latest regulatory guidelines and procedures. This means that airlines have to collect data from a wide range of sources, process it, and develop adequate rapid response strategies that are trusted by their customers. Reconfiguring environment and value proposition. Getting travelers from one location to another in an economical and seamless way is no longer the only priority. Airlines and related businesses now need to put the safety, health, and security of the customers above everything else. Consolidation and communication of all the information and lack of transparency make it a challenge to deliver a reconfigured value proposition. Building adaptability into the workforce. In order to ensure that all the rapid responses to crisis situations are robust and effective, airlines also need to make their workforce highly adaptive and flexible so they are in a much better position to make informed decisions. This means that airlines have to ensure efficient communication and real-time collaboration across individuals as well as teams that are geographically separated. Using KanBo to overcome rapid response challenges. KanBo is a comprehensive work and business management platform that delivers a real-time collaborative environment ensuring work visibility and informational transparency. This means that all the teams and employees have quick and easy access to all the information and data they are looking for to accomplish their tasks and make high-performance decisions that lead to robust rapid responses to crisis-related situations. Enhanced infrastructural and data security. All assignments, business processes, work-related information, and data are crucial for any airline as they ensure the organization makes most of the competitive edge in a highly competitive industry. KanBo assists airlines and aviation companies in developing and implementing an efficient record system that features robust security. With KanBo, data can be stored in any location regardless of the airline's storage solution. AD groups can be used to assign permissions for airlines using Azure and Active Directory. There are multiple permission levels that provide granular control. Airline managers can disable information deletion to prevent accidental removal of data. KanBo enforces regulatory compliance with blockchain technology. Remote work with KanBo. With features like real-time notifications, streams, and block-ups, airlines can ensure collaboration, control informational depth, and identify dependencies in a timely manner. This enables quick but informed decision-making that's particularly crucial in a remote work environment. Native software stack integration and SaaS. KanBo software can be natively integrated with any airline's software infrastructure. KanBo on-premises and integration with Office 365 ensures that airlines have control over their security without compromising their overall productivity. There's also a SaaS feature that allows airlines to deploy KanBo without any requirement for a dedicated IT department. Enhancing cross-departmental collaboration and communication. In the post-pandemic world, it has become more and more important for airlines and aviation organizations to ensure quick but high-performance decision-making so they can deliver a seamless air travel experience while complying with the latest regulations, guidelines, and SOPs. High-performance decision-making relies on improved productivity along with enhanced cross-departmental collaboration and communication. In the absence of a collaborative work environment, airlines cannot nurture growth, particularly in these challenging times. Challenges of improving cross-departmental collaboration. Although efficient cross-departmental collaboration is essential for success in any industry, it's become increasingly significant for airlines and aviation organizations struggling to navigate through this difficult pandemic-ridden period. For encouraging effective cross-departmental collaboration and communication, airlines need to focus on addressing a number of challenges, including the following: identifying and pursuing shared goals. When it comes to fostering a culture of cross-departmental collaboration, one of the most essential challenges for different departments is to identify shared objectives and communicate related information efficiently. Airlines and aviation companies trying to negotiate with such challenges have disorganized and non-collaborative departments, which leads to poor communication. Ensuring timely communication. It's not only essential to gather knowledge and information, but to ensure it's communicated to every concerned person in a timely manner. Without sharing information efficiently, departments cannot work together as a single team. Frequency of information sharing. Another factor that often goes unnoticed is the frequency of sharing information across different departments. Airlines that need to build a culture of cross-departmental collaboration need to encourage frequent and timely coordination and communication between teams. Accuracy of information and problem solving. When collaboration and coordination between different teams are absent, the accuracy of shared information may decline to result in poor outcomes that aren't according to the expectations. By ensuring frequent collaboration, departments can develop processes and implement checks to assess the accuracy of information so teams can continue to work without worrying about the accuracy of the information. Using KanBo to overcome cross-departmental collaboration challenges. KanBo software provides airlines with an opportunity to create and deploy a highly collaborative work environment where work visibility along with informational transparency are prioritized over everything else. This means that all the relevant information and data are always accessible to the concerned people, whether they need it to get the job done or keep an eye on the overall progress. Here's how KanBo allows airlines to overcome cross-departmental collaboration challenges. Seamless cross-departmental work process. According to Go Remotely, 3 out of 4 employees believe that collaboration between individuals and employees is key to organizational success. On the other hand, 70% of employees say that digital tools assist them in building a collaborative work culture. That's what KanBo does, as airlines can use building blocks to develop a collaborative work environment. Improve cross-departmental collaboration and communication. Encourage and assist employees to adopt diverse work styles. Blend strategy with execution to achieve better outcomes. Have access to insights for high-performance decision-making. Help agile Scrum teams to deliver high-quality final products. Facilitate on-the-go collaboration with KanBo Mobile. Use Kanban view for improved collaborative efficiency and supervision. Fostering enterprise-wide work coordination. There is a wide range of features offered by KanBo, including KanBo cards, document groups, mentions, and to-do lists that allow airlines to make the most of the multidimensional work management platform. These features enable teams to develop and foster a collaborative work environment that focuses on learning from each other, improving productive engagement and interaction. Quick and high-performance decision-making. The whole purpose of cross-departmental coordination and communication is to ensure quick and high-performance decision-making. KanBo enables exactly that with a diverse variety of features, including ambient intelligence powered by KanBo Bot, card grouping, and board filtering. It is time to summarize everything. The airline and aviation industry is in the process of making a transition to be more adaptive and productive while maintaining business continuity. Although they have taken a number of initiatives to ensure that employees, as well as travelers, are ready to accept this shift, the adjustments come with a number of challenges, including the absence of real-time communication and collaboration, lack of instant feedback, mental fatigue due to quick changes, and many other factors. KanBo software enables airlines to deploy a single solution through which they can ensure business continuity by facilitating quick communication, real-time collaboration, elimination of silos, informational transparency, and work visibility, which provides a substantial competitive advantage.